To affirm a booking on Expedia, start by logging into your Expedia account. If you do not have an account, you can create one for free. Once logged in, click on the My Trips section, where you will find a list of all your upcoming and past bookings. Locate the booking you want to affirm and click on it to view the details. Review the booking to ensure everything is correct, including the travel dates, destination, and hotel or flight information. If you need to make any changes, you can do so by clicking on the Modify Booking option. However, be aware that changes may incur additional fees. To affirm the booking, click on the Affirm Booking button. You may be prompted to enter your payment details to confirm the booking. Enter the required information and click Submit. You will then receive a confirmation email from Expedia with your affirmed booking details. It is essential to review this email to ensure everything is correct. Best practices for affirming a booking on Expedia include double-checking your travel dates and destination, verifying the hotel or flight information, and ensuring you have the correct contact details. Additionally, it is crucial to read and understand the cancellation and refund policies before affirming your booking. This will help you avoid any potential issues or fees if you need to make changes or cancel your booking. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily affirm your booking on Expedia and ensure a smooth and hassle-free travel experience. Remember to always review your booking details carefully and understand the terms and conditions before affirming your booking.